Hey beauties, welcome to the channel. My name is Cambria, Beauty by Cam's Couture. I share all things beauty, fashion, and motherhood here on this channel. Today I am sharing a mommy makeup vlog, trying to get this all together with a newborn and a 3-year-old toddler at home. So if that's something you're interested in seeing, definitely stick around. Being 6 weeks postpartum, I am very sleep deprived, but it's very important to me this year to try and get things all together, take a few moments for myself, even though this video did take me probably, I don't know, a cumulative 5 hours to get it all together, but it mattered because at the end of it all, I felt really good. Some of my favorite things to do in the new year is to find new podcasts, new books, generally new YouTube channels that are inspirational to help me achieve my goals for the year. So aside from just doing personal care and making sure I take some time for myself, I also am really looking forward to growing my business this year. I'm using the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim under eye patches. These are the rose gold. They also have just a gold one, I believe, but these are so hydrating under the eyes. Like I said, sleepless nights over and over again. Right now, my baby girl wakes up probably about every 2 hours. I know last night it was like every hour and a half, so it just really depends. But these at least give me some hydration under the eyes, and they're easy to apply. You can just put them on while you're having your coffee, put them on while you're running around chasing your toddler, and just leave them on for 20 minutes. Lashes are honestly the holy grail. I mean, lashes can change a look almost instantly. When I was a makeup artist, that was one of my absolute favorite parts of putting lashes on my brides because it just changes the dynamics of the eyes, which I love. If you hear any little noises in the background, my little one is nursing right now. But I absolutely love lashes. I used to do strip lashes pretty much every single day, but since the at-home lash extensions came out, those are honestly the easiest for me to do because they last me. I can get at least 4 to 5 days, just depending. There is an extender that Kiss makes, which I like using when I need them for a little bit longer. Let's get into these eyebrows. So I have been doing my eyebrows at home probably since I went to beauty school, but I love using the Just for Men to give myself an at-home brow tint. I wasn't able to my whole pregnancy, so I'm pretty excited that I'm able to start tinting my eyebrows again and also laminating. I know laminating is the big one definitely during pregnancy that you don't want to do. I just was erring on the side of the caution with getting them tinted. But now that baby girl is here, I'm able to start laminating my brows again and tinting them. Hey Siri, set timer for 8 minutes. The timer's gone off. I am just using a baby wipe to get all of the color off of my eyebrows. I like it that way because it's super easy to use and then it seems to adhere and last a little bit better for me. And honestly, after having children, I can use a baby wipe on almost anything. You guys are going in the playroom? Well, not today, but... What is happening? To the makeup portion of this, starting out with my eyebrows, I'm just going to go in and fill them in a little bit because I did just tint them. I don't need a lot, but I just want to enhance them even a little bit more since this is a maintenance vlog and just a little bit of a pick-me-up. Next, let's get into this concealer. I'm using the Kaja in Sweet Toast, I believe. If it's not that, I'll definitely have the name of the product and everything I'm using in here linked in the description box below, so definitely check that out. But I have been using this concealer for at least a year, and I love it. It gives really, really great coverage, and I have some breakouts hormonal from postpartum, so I really like using it to make me look a little bit more awake and then to cover a little bit of the discoloration and the breakouts that I'm having right now. For foundation, I'm actually using the Rare Beauty. I have two different shades that I bought because I wanted to test this out. I wasn't really sure what shade would look best, but I went with the M30. I'm not for sure, but I'll have it linked down below. And I was really, really impressed with this foundation. I had heard great things, saw it all over TikTok, so I was really excited to give it a try, and I really liked it. It's got this really great creamy consistency that's easy to build. So for blush, I'm actually using this CoverGirl palette. It comes with two shades of blush and a highlighter. I can use this thing for almost anything. It travels really well. But what I find easiest for me is when I am in a huge rush, is just to use it as my blush and as my eyeshadow. I like to go on the apples of my cheeks and around the top of my hairline there. It just gives a little bit more freshness to the skin. I'm just going to use a little bit of this one. Lastly, I'm finishing off this look with some lips. I'm using my go-to Jason Wu Beauty lip liner and my Kaja lip gloss. If you guys have a recommendation for like a brown mauve lip liner, definitely leave it in the description box below. This new year, I am trying to dedicate more time to self-care, even if it's just the basics with a newborn and a toddler at home. So if that's something you are also trying to do this new year, definitely stick around, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.